here on the board you can see how easy it is and how much we have improved the installation. We only have 14 holes that need to be drilled on the board to install the entire system. So very easy and can be done according to our installation method. We have a very simple and pictorial installation guide which is made only of drawings, and you can see here in simple 15 steps you can install the whole system. And we have also one for the adjustments that will guide you through all the steps to finally adjust the door. Soon we are going to release an installation video that will take you through all the steps, and you can see clearly that it can be installed in 10 minutes, including the adjustment of the doors. Additionally, we have improved our system planner. In very few quick steps, you can design your cabinet and obtain not only the cutting list and the position of the drilling, but also an AutoCAD and step file that you can use to connect to your machines. As you can see here, all the components fit in a very small box and is actually very light. And this is just a display now. The final packaging for the product will reduce even further the size, so we'll optimize the frame. From this angle, you can see how simple now the technology is and how clean the new Concepta looks like. As you can see, the profile is moving smoothly thanks to the simple pulleys we have. And you might note another particular very important part. This is a system that will connect or disconnect the electricity supply for all the appliances that might be contained in the cabinet for safety reasons.